Happy New Month to you guys, and it's my prayer that all that you lost in the month of January will be restored in the month of February. Okay guys, so welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate G's TV. And as I always say, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, so today happens to be the birthday of Ghanaian high life artist Kuami Eugene. Yeah, as is fondly called, Rockstar. Yeah, so Rockstar Kuami Eugene is celebrating his birthday today, and he has received lots of messages on social media. So some people are sending their messages on, so others are also visiting him at his house. Yeah, so media personality Dr. Pounds, okay, visited Kuami Eugene in his abode today, and you know, it seems they had a very cordial relationship and all that. In the video, one could see Dr. Pounds actually remembering that gone are the days where when he's celebrating his birthday, people use water to pound him and all that, but today it's not water, but they are actually using champagne and all that to pound him. And in the video as well, Kuami Eugene also said that today happens to be his 24th birthday, and on his 25th birthday, he's going to surprise Dr. Pounds with a brand new car. And you could see that he wants to show his appreciation to Dr. Pounds for all the years that he has been supporting him and all that. So guys, watch the video and don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
God bless me. I will buy you car.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Buy you car.
Amen. I know what you can.
If I chop 25, may God bless me. I will
Amen.
buy you car.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Buy you car.
Amen. I know what you can do for me. Amen. God bless you.
Car. You
know, I know.
You're an amazing man.
I know. Bless you.
This morning.
Thank you. First, now the insurance upon it.
Oh yeah.
But the cash was the the champagne. The champagne upon it.
First. Oh yeah. I won't go bulanci. I know money.
I hear gum any guy. If you come, Kasaga Tamunsu. No, me dey go.
You didn't baby. I did best now.
My lady, and then the champagne. Yeah, the champagne, Papi. Happy birthday, my brother. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.